All right, we'll be working on our graduated value scale as well as our gradated value scale. And this is going to help us get really good at shading things in because we're paying attention to different lightnesses and darknesses of gray. And we'll be using our two pencils, just a regular HB pencil and then an ebony pencil. And the difference is that the HB pencil, the lead is, or the graphite is harder, and it comes out a little bit more gray. Okay, when we use it, and then the ebony pencil, the lead and the graphite is softer and more buttery and smooth, and then it ends up turning more black. So you can see like a big difference between those two leads. Please remember that you never, ever, ever want to put this into an electric pencil sharpener. Always just use a regular handheld pencil sharpener because the lead is so soft that the electric pencil sharpener will just eat it right up, and it'll go from being a normal pencil to a little golf pencil in no time. Now for this first scale, we're going to work from light to dark. And this first square, we're going to match what we see from this scale into here. And this first square is easy because that's white, so I don't have to do anything there. A whole value scale goes all the way from white to all the different darker grays in between and then all the way to black. And we'll be trying to accomplish that when we create a nice value shaded project. These first 4 boxes that I'm going to do, I'm just going to do them with my HB pencil because like we said, it's lighter, it's more gray. And then these boxes are darker, so we'll be doing those with the ebony pencil. Okay, now to achieve such a light gray, I really need to focus on the pressure of my pencil. Really, shading is a lot about how much pressure you put on your pencil. So we have to get out of the idea of writing with our pencil. We're not writing, we're making art now, and we're drawing and we're shading. So we have to kind of hold our pencil a little bit differently. So for these really, really light boxes, I hold my pencil from the end, and then that kind of releases some of the pressure that I will put on my pencil. If I'm here, then I'm too tempted to get into that writing mode where I actually write letters and push down hard with a pencil. If I hold it from here, then the pressure is a lot more off, and I could just so ever so lightly start matching the gray that I see in that box above. And it's really, really light. It's very, very subtle. So you really have to go with light pressure. Please notice I'm trying to fill in the box completely. And I'm always like kind of coloring this in the same direction. Okay, and it kind of matches now from here to here. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. And match the gray that I see. I have to keep another like quite a light pressure on this. So I'm holding my pencil from the back of the pencil. Okay, I'm checking what I'm doing, and it could use a little bit more darkness, so I'm going over it again. Okay, a little more. Okay, good. All right, so I'm going to keep matching. Now, as I get darker and darker, what I do when I need to put, as it gets darker, I need to put a little bit more pressure on the pencil to make it become darker. So what I do as I need things to get darker, I'll like scooch up on my pencil a little bit more. That way I could put a little bit more pressure on the pencil more easily. And it kind of gets darker a little faster. I'll try and do this and fill in the entire square. I'm checking to make sure that the grays match from here to here. Looks a little different on screen than in real life. In real life, I have it matched, and I guess on the screen it looks pretty matched too. And then, okay, again, I have to go a little darker this time, and again, I'll choke up on my pencil a little bit more, and that's how you do it. So I'm going to finish the HB part, and then when I need to switch over to my ebony, I'll switch to my ebony pencil and just finish up.